Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Bowser Jr. from the new Super Mario Galaxy movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now start off with Bowser Jr., let's begin with the nose. So I'm going to begin right here and we're just going to make a sad face for the top of the nose. Now, on each side, let's make a line that's just going to curve out and then in. And same thing here, we're just going to curve out and then in. We're going to bring this in just a little bit more to kind of fill out that curve. Then right here, let's just go down and up in a nice big smiley face. Starting here, let's make another big smiley face for the top part of the mouth. Then let's go and make 2 triangles on each side for some teeth. Let's go down and up in a nice smile. And then we'll make another smiley face shape for the tongue. Lots of smiley face shapes. Now for the nose, we're just going to make these little curved lines. And I'm going to kind of color in the back of it just a little bit more. For the eyes, we're just going to make 2 small circles on each side of the nose. And then let's color in most of it, but we're just going to leave a tiny bit white in the upper left part of the circle. Now for the eyebrows, let's just curve a line down on each side. We're just going to curve the line down. We're going to bring it up to a point and back down. Bring it up to a point and then down. We'll bring these lines up on each side for the sides of the face. And then connect them with a sad face for the top of the head. Let's make a little bump on top. Then for the hair, we're just going to make a nice point that comes down. We'll make a curve here. We'll make a point here. And then another point right here for the top of the hair. Now for his little bandana, let's make a line that's just going to come down to a point and then up. Then for the body, let's just make a nice big round shape. Let's make another round shape right inside of here. Then let's add a line across here and then another line right across here. I'm going to make a line that comes down on each side to start the arms. Then we're going to make another line that comes up on each side. Let's bring this down and then into here. Same thing, down, and we're just going to kind of bring it into here. Let's make a line that goes over, down, and in. Same thing, we're going to go over, down, and in for kind of like those little bracelets that he wears. We'll make a curve here for the thumb. Same thing, little curve here for the thumb. We're going to make another curve, and then we'll make one here and one here. Same thing, curve, a curve, and then one here. We'll bring this in, and bring this in for the hand. Now for the legs, we're just going to make a line that's going to come out and then curve in. Same thing here, we're just going to go out and then curve in. We'll go out to a point in, down and in, down and in. Same thing here, we're going to go down to a point in, down and in, and then down and in. We're going to curve this up, and we're going to curve this up. I'm going to bring this line up and this line up. Now back here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of pop right around the arms. And then I'm just going to add a couple little points on each side. So we're going to do one here, one there, and one there. Right here, let's draw a line that comes down. We're going to bring this out and then back in for the tail. Then the last thing, we're just going to add some little triangles onto the tips of the fingers for our little Bowser Jr.'s claws. And then finally, the last thing, we're just going to make some little curves here for the toenails. And there you go, there is your drawing of Bowser Jr. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.